What's up guys, you're reading the title right now and thinking, why is he doing this on an A200? Like £10 probably lasts him so long. But honestly, I've got the 1.6 A200 petrol, so it's not the best on fuel. I've had a diesel before this which was really good, but yeah, this one's not the best. I don't really mind, because when you got sound like this, that's on a warm start, you can't complain. Yeah, I thought this would be a fun video to do. I'm gonna put in £10, see how many miles I can get. I'm gonna reset the computer as well. I'm gonna do a bit of mixed driving, so it's gonna be like a bit of comfort mode, a bit of sports mode, not eco mode, because that mode is so sluggish, it's so bad. Like it's like dangerous, man. But yeah, we're gonna do that, and yeah, see this pointless video, but let's go, we'll have some fun. Hopefully, I'm thinking, how much are you thinking? I'm thinking maybe £10, probably 30 miles.
Probably 25.
Shell V power in. Hopefully I'm gonna try and get it right on 10. I'm gonna try and get this right on 10. I'm gonna flop this. Yeah, we got it. Let's go. I forgot to show you guys what it was on before I put the £10 in. It was on about just below quarter, so I'm gonna show you now what it's on, and then once it gets back to just below a quarter, we'll know that's £10. So yeah, let me show you guys this now. So just before I put the £10 in, the fuel was just below that quarter line there, and now it's there, so obviously I didn't get too much fuel out of that £10. The tank is about 60-70 pounds, so once it drops back to there, we'll know we used £10. So yeah, let's start the video. I've reset the trip board, well, the computer. It's on 0 now. Let's see how much we get. It's saying I should get about 60-70, but I don't think we'll get that. Maybe about 30. We'll do a bit of comfort and sports mode driving. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna drop my Instagram there. Make sure you follow me on that. I got all my like behind the scenes and stuff on there. I also want to start doing like little reviews and walk around of cars. So if anyone does want to be on the channel, send me a DM on Instagram. I'll probably sort something out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, let's go. I don't always do that, but yeah, that sometimes. Yeah, so guys, we're just gonna do some city driving, because I don't really live next to any countryside roads, and most of the time I'm doing city anyway. Well, urban as they call it. Mercedes say you should get about 50-58 miles per gallon, which is absolute bullshit. Normally I get about 28 miles per gallon, so yeah, so it's very far off what Mercedes say. I don't drive too harsh anyway. It's gone down to 125 from 140, and we've done not even 1 mile. Also, it depends on how you drive the car as well. Like if you always driving in sports mode, etc., and just sending it all the time, then obviously you're not going to get too good of a fuel economy. But even when you don't send it, rubbish. What? Miles per gallon. This is just comfort, guys, so I'll be switching to sports just every once in a while, just to like reality of driving, because you're going to use sports mode once in a while. Oh, PFC. I want some chicken and chips, you know. I could have bought £10 worth of chicken and chips. Here I am, smiling per gallon. Also, I've got an exhaust in my car, so sometimes it's just nice to hear the sound of the exhaust and the little crackles and burbles it does. We've done 1.6 miles, and the range has dropped by it's dropped by 30 miles. We've done 2. If you guys do hear some rattling in the video, I've got my steering wheel locked in the back, which is making a bit of rattling noises. I haven't put it down properly. As I was saying earlier, if you do buy an A-class and you care about like miles per gallon and like fuel economy and stuff, it's always best to go for the diesel, not the petrol, because these are not the best of fuel. You remember in lockdown when fuel was like what? How much was it, like 99p or £1 or something per litre? That was sick. And there was like no traffic as well. You know, a bit of sports here. to 109 miles after I just sent it a little bit. So it's gone up in miles. So guys, if you want more MPG driving sport modes, let me show you guys what the fuel's on. Yeah, so that's what the fuel's on now, guys. After just 5 miles, as you can see there. Let's go. SVR. Oh, guys, you hear that? His number plate as well, it was gun. It's actually the gun, you know, I don't know.
That's
I think it's 6. No, it was 6 UN, so that was sick. I don't know if you guys heard that. But you guys don't want to close the windows. Just want to apologise like about the quality of the audio. I'm gonna get some mics and stuff, hopefully in like a month or 2. So that way it will be like better audio and stuff. Maybe get a camera as well to stick up on here rather than holding a phone up there. But yeah, I'm thinking I might just leave it on sports, see how far we can get. Normally, I've never really tracked, like I've had this car for 5 months now. I've not really tracked the fuel, I just put fuel in and go. So it'll be just like, it's quite fun to see how much we can get out of a tenner. Quick pit stop at Mackey's. Medium fries, curry sauce, like a food vlogger now, RS3, and a Coke. I think they're having a car meet in here, you know. Would you hear them burbles? On the motorway I get about 45 miles per gallon, so which is not too bad. Red A35 I've seen.
It's always yellow.
Everyone gets yellow in it.
Always yellow, probably yellow. Like the one in town.
Everyone gets yellow. It does look good in yellow, don't get me wrong, but like there's no like, it's just like everyone has it. They're like such a common car now. If I was to get one, of course it would be black. About 20 bhp increase, but you get about 80 more torque, so which is quite a lot. Vibe in comfort mode.
How much does it cost to stage one?
Stage 1 remap from MSR would be about, looking at with the dyno as well, I think it was 300 he told me, 450, something like that.
That's not bad for a whole stage.
He said they do free pops and bangs with any map. Actually, if you put petrol, but obviously I don't
You can't do that.
You might mess up the engine in it, obviously. You don't want to take the risk. You know what, guys, if anyone's had the pops and bangs remap, let me know in the comments, like, is it safe to do so? I'm not too fussed if it's not, because I think the car sounds alright as it is, but it would be nice to have a little pop, 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 bang, bang. The video started off with how far can we get with the tenner, and we're trying to like save the fuel and that, and now we're just like, fuck this, man, we're just burning it off. It's on 17 miles to be fair though, which is not bad, I guess. That's fucking shit actually. That's what shit. Just to mention, guys, we're following the speed limit. We're sticking to the speed limit, so we're not going to be speeding or anything like that. What the fuck are you laughing from? What the fuck are you laughing? We're actually doing the speed limit. Come on, 27. If you're enjoying this video, guys, make sure to subscribe. This guy's just wheel has just spun out, but we're vibing right now. We're vibing. I'm burning. Drive really slow now, innit? Well, let's drive really sensibly now. We'll get 30. Honestly, we're gonna get 30 out of this today. There's a speed camera coming up here. If you're in Birmingham, you'll definitely know this camera. And it's just it's like meant to be facing straight. Someone's just turned it, so it's facing the houses. See that track? Yeah, so this is what the fuel's on now, guys. I don't know if you can really show you. That's what it's on now. So it's dropped from where it was before. This is how much miles we've done. Look at that, 24.7 miles per gallon. And how much miles we got? We've done 20 miles. We've got till about just there before we hit the 10 pound mark. So yeah, let's carry on burning this shit. That's what I love about this car. Like I can just at a roundabout, I can just go. Like, you know, with my old car, I couldn't really just go. How much miles we've done? We've done 20 miles now. Yes. What was your prediction? 25?
25.
Mine was 30.
No, but you're gonna get it to 30.
Nah, nah. If
It was gonna be
If
25.
it gets to 30, you're getting dead armed, bro. You know what? If we hit 30, I'd actually be so happy, you know.
Yeah, because you sent it so many times.
Because like normally it's just like I'm just at the petrol station every other day. But if we get 30, bro, I'm just I'm not gonna be happy. I'm happy, man. Yeah. So guys, we're on 22.5 miles, and as you can see, the fuel's nearly at just below the quarter line, which is where we started at. Stop. I'm gonna go to London in a few weeks, so watch out for that vlog that I'm gonna do when I go there. Hopefully see some sick cars, man. We've hit 25. You said 25, innit?
Yeah.
We've got a tiny bit, you know. So I'm definitely thinking 30. That's it, guys. We've done it. We're back to where we started. If I show, let me see how much I got. 27.2. So just in the middle for what he said 25. I said 30. So if we weren't in too much. What is this guy doing? Yeah, so guys, what happened was I went home and the petrol petrol thing actually went up a little bit. So back into the quarter line, and as you know, we started just below the quarter line and it went back up to the quarter line. I'll show you guys now, and I drove a little bit more sensibly, and I actually managed to we'll call it 37 because it is just below now, but we'll call it 37. It says 38, but we'll call it 37. I'm actually proud with that. I'll show you guys now. Yeah, as you can see, guys, it's gone just below the quarter line and it's on 38.9, but we'll call it 37 as it's just gone tiny bit below. But yeah, nearly an extra 10 miles, which is really sick. But I did drive very sensibly and there's no traffic as well. And I'm gonna wrap the video up there, but also consider, guys, well, remember guys, it was a Sunday, so there will be traffic and stuff on other days, so that will come into play as well. So it probably would have been 30 if there was traffic. But yeah, man, I'm proud of that. Hope you guys like this video. Please remember to like, comment, and make sure to subscribe, and peace out.